You may encounter the following two situations: receiver fails to ring or receiver rings but no app notifications. If you are experiencing issues with your receiver not ringing, follow these troubleshooting steps. First, check if the transmitter has power. Trigger the transmitter. If the LED lights up, the transmitter is working. If not, replace the battery. Next, check whether the distance between the receiver and transmitter is too far. If moving the transmitter closer doesn't help, try to repair them. Check the manual for steps. Receiver rings but no app notifications? In this case, you should check whether the router network is 2.4 GHz and whether it is stable. After ruling out router issues, check whether the distance between the receiver and the router is too far.